Right guys, so I'm currently in my car and I've got the manual for the Mangoal dash camera, and I've currently got it rigged into the OBD port. So if we follow this cable here, you can see that this cable here runs all the way down here and it goes into the OBD port, and that is what's going to power this unit when I switch it on. So if I press here, you can see it switches on. Now if I would have switched on itself, you know, by the ignition, then this would have powered up straight away. Now of course this is going to be going onto the windscreen of the car. So this is going to go onto the windscreen of the car, but first of all I've got to, you know, work out how to best do this. And again, you know, it's very generous indeed. Here we go. It's very generous for Mangoal to give you a 128 gigabyte card. So, you know, that's honestly, that's really good to see from a Mangoal. So let's get this bracket in here. I can use this bracket, and this is what I'm going to do. And this bracket will basically allow me to install it onto the windscreen, whilst at the same time it will allow me to take this back off the windscreen. So you know what, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep this bracket, and this is going to allow me to take this dash camera on and off the windscreen.
The jack right as fuel got me hazy, about to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death, to be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said.
So I have this minute just finished installing the Mangoal dash camera, and I have to say it was easier than what I thought. They give you a lot of cable, so don't worry about running out of cable, because Mangoal gives you a lot of cable to install with this dash camera, both front and rear. Now, how can I say, was it hard? No, it was pretty simple. It's just, I'm one of these guys, I don't like taking things apart in the vehicle. You know, this stuff here, all this. I don't like taking it apart, so I've just, you know, ran the keyboard above the window and put some stickies there. And I'm happy with that, that's fine. But, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll be doing a full product review on the Mangoal dash camera, both the front one and the rear one, in a not so distant future. So, you know, subscribe to the channel, and also check out Mangoal's dash cameras. Click the link underneath this video and go directly over to their website and treat yourself to a decent quality dash camera. Again, full review on mine, which is the MG0XXX for a Volkswagen Polo. This product review will be coming up in due course. Right guys, see you all in the next video.